The ISA M224A1 light machine gun. A fully automatic LMG chain gun equipped with iron sights that improve accuracy for medium and long-range kills. With a magazine capacity of 56 rounds, it is an ideal weapon to use for suppressing cover fire. Reload time is approximately 6 seconds. At medium distances, you should use short, controlled burst fire to minimize displacement, while use of the iron sights provides considerably greater accuracy. The long-range capabilities are limited. However, using the iron sights with controlled burst fire will enable you to make some fairly impressive long-range shots. During close-quarter engagements, it is advisable to shoot from the hip due to the slight delay in pulling up the iron sight aperture. Thanks to a large magazine capacity, the M224 is capable of providing sustained fire during intense battles. The power and rate of fire will allow you to kill most enemy players fairly quickly at medium range. Be sure to use the iron sights with controlled burst fire to increase accuracy. When firing from the hip at medium distances, it is considerably more effective to use controlled burst fire and avoid holding down the trigger unless you are providing suppressing fire on a designated choke point or entranceway. With surprising accuracy, the M224 is capable of killing an enemy at long range. Ensure that you use short, controlled burst fire with the iron sights while in a crouched position.